Hey there! Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.
This video shows the operation of a BGI cantilever gate. Cantilever gates are reliable and require less maintenance than track gates, as no track maintenance is required. They also have an advantage over swing gates as they require less space. BGI as a company has offered crash-rated gates, and the company has extensive experience in the manufacture and installation of gates the world over. These gates can be customized to your requirements. On behalf of BGI, we thank you for watching the video.